In front of me is NOKIA 1.4, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So first of all, just open your camera app, then tap on the settings icon, and here you've got the timer, so you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 10 seconds, and now you can grab a picture like this, and then observe the delay. So after 10 seconds the picture would be grabbed. Obviously if you pick 3 seconds, then the delay would be a bit shorter, and then the picture is grabbed. So this is it. This is how you can activate camera timer. Whenever you'd like to switch it off, just open camera again, go to settings and turn it off by using this first icon, which is for off. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.